Hi, welcome to our home. The original layout of the house was cavernous and lack of natural light. The space itself wasn't particularly inviting, and we wanted our house to be bright and spacious.
We wanted something that we could actually work with, that is both practical and a statement. Also, my wife's a Peranakan. We actually wanted a space that emphasized the sense of belonging, with the distinct personality we envisioned for the space. We chose a mixture of Peranakan and Victorian style to soften the interior experience.
We believe in feng shui, and there are many elements to be taken into consideration. Our ID kind enough give us few layouts to choose from, and this is the final layout that we have chosen. A lot of hacking required, and the procedure was quick and efficient. When you first enter the house, the foyer greets you with Peranakan tiles that lead you to the living and kitchen area. They are traditional and yet timeless. I really love it. The sense of spaciousness just hit you in the face.
The kitchen is our favorite part of the house. It's the heart of the house, and it also connects the living space and the dining area.
As you can see, that we have a lot of glass that to show the house is bright and spacious enough. When I'm in the kitchen, I can see my family members and my dog outside at the living area, and I can check on them.
Also, we enjoy heavy cooking, so we really like the enclosed kitchen concept. We know we can do so without worrying that the whole house will be filled with cooking smell. And there is sufficient light that brightens up the whole house at the same time.
Came across Posh Home on Facebook, and before that we actually meet up with 4 to 5 IDs. But after doing some research, and we decided to engage with Posh Home. Being a well-established company, we saw many incredible reviews on Facebook and Google's, and it gave us more reassurance to work with Posh Home. The biggest challenge, I believe, for most homeowners is a timeline. We bought the house during COVID time, when we're supposed to start renovating our house right after Chinese New Year. Despite some hiccups, our ID always very responsive and accommodate to our requests. She rectified the problem quickly and give us a practical solutions. Compared to my friends and other people that I come across with, they have difficulty with delivery of the house. I'm very grateful that our house didn't face any delay and we were given the house on time. For us, given our busy schedule, communication is delivered swiftly. Our ID responded to us and she handled our house with care and clear. And she understand what we wanted for our house. Everything was smooth and eventually the project was completed on time. Everything works really well together, and we really love our house.